Before we begin this video, I appreciate you very much if you like and share this video. And of course, I'm very grateful if you subscribe. It's for free. You can unsubscribe anytime you want. So let's enjoy this video and show you how to make it. Here we go, guys. Now this is done. I cannot stand in this one because I have damaged my back and I am very afraid that I'm going to damage more. But I'm just going to sit in this one and show you how it's worked. It works very well. So now I'm going to show you how it's worked, but I'm not going to stand because I'm afraid that I will damage my back again because it's not good yet. So I'm just going to sit to show you how it's worked. So now I'm just going to sit in this one with my knees. And you can always use this one like this, like this. It's very easy, but because of my back, I'm just going to sit like this. And you can see it's pushed frontward, very good. I will do my best again. Very nice, guys. It's very quick. It's very quick, you can see. So that's why I cannot sit in this one right now. You can see is battery control, everything is secret here, and it will make enough place to hold it, this one, and go. But I really like it, this one. I have really very bad pain in my back, so that's why I try to do my best. But you understand this, I will do like this, maybe it will be better. Let's test in this position so you can see a little bit better. It's very quick. It's very, very, very quick. So you can see here. I will try to sit. I have really pain in my back. You see? Very, very nice. Very nice. I hope guys you like this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share, and see you to next project. Maybe when I be better with my back, I will make some separate video if you want, guys, to show you how it's work when I stand at this one. For right now, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.